each customer gets access to this portal, and each customer gets their personalized view. So this is a customer coming in from a hospital. They will get the news that are targeted towards the hospital, that are categorized with hospital, and this is the contact person for the hospitals. If I would be coming in from a franchisee that is based in New South Wales, I will see the news from New South Wales or from the franchisees, and I will get the contact person from New South Wales. If I come from Victoria and I'm a franchisee, I will get the same franchisee news, but I will get another contact person. This is an example on how you can personalize the portal toward different customer groups. So what does this look like in the backend? The beauty is that you can do this yourself without involvement of IT, and you can change it at any instant. So this is the actual news block that we can see, and I'll just click that to see what is hidden beneath it. So it's a personalized group. We see the block that is called hospital and the block that is called franchisee. These two are two blocks that both are news item blocks, and you can see that this news item blocks that we're looking at right now is the news item blocks that franchisee New South Wales, franchisee Victoria will see. So let's go and have a look at that actual block and see how that one is created. So this is the block. A block is a piece of content that can be used on many pages, many sites, but it's not a whole page in itself. It's a block that can live within a page. So we can see here also that it's available in different sizes. And if I go to the back end of the block, this is where we can see the category filter that I've set. So I can look here and see that I've ticked franchisee. This is what I do when I'm creating this block that's listing the news articles. And I can see here that I've just set it to list all the news articles from the news section on the B2B portal. So let us go back to the B2B portal homepage and have a look at the actual personalization. So we know now where the block, how the block works, but how do these groups work? So if I click here, you can see that I can actually change this as in an instant, and I can choose any of these other groups. And these groups you can create by yourself. So I'll go up here and I'll click the visitor groups. Let's have a look at the franchisee Victoria. So we can see here that we get like a dashboard where we can actually drag and drop criteria. So I can drag and drop the geographic location, Victoria, and the role in franchisee, the franchisee group. So the different criteria I can access here are criteria in the commerce, for example, how much they've spent, the user attribute, what channels they're working on, language, forms they've submitted, what IP they come from, time and place, time of day, time on site, landing URLs, query strings, etc. And here, this is one of the expandable areas in EPiServer, so you can actually add your own groups here, integrate with your own backend systems. So you can look into other attributes, looking at forecasts, for example, looking at number of employees, looking at whatever it's in your database. You can hook in and just create new criteria. So these are actually just net user controls, and there's a quite good documentation on how to build these guys and make them available for the editors so they can create new visitor groups on the fly.